To boost productivity and help ensure food security, farmers must protect their crops from disease. Cess van der Haver, a leading global player in the sugar beet seed sector, develops varieties that are resistant to diseases such as powdery mildew. In this work, field observations are critical, but also costly and time-consuming. Introducing BeetFen. With this innovative beet phenotyping project, our partnership offers a new approach, one that's faster and more accurate. Traditionally, a trained expert conducts a thorough field observation using a visual scoring system to identify and quantify the presence of disease. A typical assessment can take several days, and often multiple observations over weeks or months are needed. Not only does this require considerable time, the assessment is prone to human interpretation and can be influenced by weather conditions. Ground-based measurements in the field are a first step towards more objective and efficient phenotyping. A handheld spectrometer detects specific wavelengths of light in the visible and near-infrared range, related to plant stresses such as powdery mildew, in relation to the color and the composition of the leaves. Another handheld instrument provides indices of plant physiology, for instance chlorophyll content. This can determine the presence of powdery mildew before any visible symptoms appear. These measurements can also be performed with more precision in a greenhouse under controlled conditions using those handheld instruments. Although a clear improvement, GBM still has its disadvantages. It is time-consuming. The throughput remains low. It depends on field access conditions. BeetFen takes GBM's advantages and goes even further, up in the air. A drone carrying a hyperspectral sensor conducts an airborne observation of the beet fields. The drone images are combined with GPS and spectral measurements obtained in the field, corrected for influences such as light conditions, and then processed into a complete orthomosaic, suited for further analysis. The imagery is uploaded onto the Mapio online platform developed by Vito, an end-to-end solution to process, visualize, and analyze drone data for various applications, including phenotyping. For BeetFen, a dedicated machine learning-based powdery mildew detection algorithm is added to the processing chain. Compared to traditional or ground-based scoring, BeetFen captures data much faster, in just 1 hour instead of 3 days, and in a more accurate and homogeneous way. The objective, clear, detailed Mapio visualization provides more information than can be seen with the eye, ensuring better founded decisions. It allows Cess van der Haver to accurately and efficiently monitor the mildew resistance of different sugar beet varieties, optimizing effort and cost and speeding up its cultivation and selection programs. Thanks to the expertise and synergy of the research partners, the BeetFen project is helping Cess van der Haver to create and deliver resistant and highly productive sugar beet varieties.